What is SEO? I get asked this all the time. And honestly, I get it. It sounds like some kind of secret code that only internet wizards understand. But guess what? It's not that complicated. And once you get it, it changes everything about how your content gets seen. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. Yeah, still sounds intimidating, right? But think of it like this. Imagine you're throwing the coolest party in town. You've got music, snacks, the whole vibe, but your house is practically invisible. Nobody knows how to find it. SEO is like putting up giant neon signs and blasting directions from a megaphone, so everyone knows exactly where to go. It's honestly heartbreaking to put your heart and soul into creating something awesome, only for it to get buried under a mountain of other content. SEO gives your work the fighting chance it deserves. It helps your passion, your message, and your effort actually reach the people who need to see it. All right, now that we know why SEO matters, let's talk about where to put it to make the biggest impact. If you're serious about being seen, these three spots are non-negotiable. Number 1. Name your video file, exactly like your video title. Before you even hit that upload button, name your video file with the exact title of your video. It might seem like a tiny detail, but search engines notice, and trust me, every little boost counts. Number 2. Include a hashtag in your description. Your description isn't just filler text, it's prime real estate. Include a relevant hashtag that sums up your content. It's like planting a flag saying, hey, this is what my video is about. It's simple, but powerful. Number 3. Use relevant hashtags in the tag section, but no more or less than 500 words. Tags are like little breadcrumbs that guide people to your content. But be strategic. Use relevant hashtags and keep it under 500 words. Too few, and your video is invisible. Too many, and it looks spammy. Balance is key. SEO doesn't have to be scary or overwhelming. It's just a way to make sure your hard work actually gets the attention it deserves. So, go out there, make your content shine, and don't let it get lost in the noise. Got questions or need more tips? Drop them in the comments. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content creation hacks.